What's up everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to do something different. It's arts and crafts time. So when I was really young, I was a big fan of Final Fantasy VII, and I actually still am a fan of large weapons in the anime and game world. So I actually had the Buster Sword built, sort of like from wood when I was super young, and it actually looks like this. Yep. So for all the fans of big weapons in anime, manga, or in games, today I'm actually going to be redesigning this wooden Buster Sword. So I'll be redesigning it and mixing it up with the DragonSlayer Sword from Berserk. I haven't actually checked out the manga or the anime of Berserk, but I came across the sword and it was pretty dope, and I said like, hey, why don't I create like a Buster Sword slash DragonSlayer hybrid, you know what I mean? And I made a design kind of like this, right here. Yeah, arts and crafts time. Okay. Alright, so done with cutting. I chopped off a bit of the handle because it was too long, and made the edge pointy tip. It's a little easier to handle, even with one hand. See? Need to just put in details inside, new paint job, and all that. So yeah, that's what's gonna happen next. Alright, so I've added wood filling and also cut out the design from the EVA foam. As you all can tell, I haven't glued it in yet, but that's the EVA foam cutout. I'm gonna glue that in. Still gotta paint that one. See that? I'm gonna be painting it with spray paint, aluminum silver. Painting time. Applying the second coat of paint to the sword, just so that it has a better silver shine. Okay, so after painting, basically, I got some carbon fiber print stickers to more or less outline, where I will be placing the EVA foam on top of it, just so it has a bit more texture. 6mm EVA foam, so ideally, you more or less put it on top here, and it'll give that type of design on both sides. Yes, not bad, not bad. Okay, we're almost done. Now all I need to do is add some paint and a little more detail on the EVA foam, but so far this is what we have. Obviously, I've already repainted it, attached the carbon fiber design sticker, and then the EVA foam on top, just to give some thickness over there. Right. Already attached the handle. Yeah, so this is from, you guys can order it like those handlebar wraps that you guys can just like put on bicycles and whatever bars, right? Obviously EVA foam over here. Just wrap that around over there. Yeah, some design with the hanging cloth, right? And I'm trying to get this a little more design by just right there. See that design? It's not yet done, obviously. Still gotta finish that on both sides and add a little bit more. But that's where we are with the DragonBuster sword. Okay. Yeah, I actually paused doing this build for a bit because my niece wanted her own Buster Sword, so I actually fashioned a mini Buster Sword for her. It's just foam and cardboard. I used the carbon fiber sticker for the top layer. Painted folder, actually this is just a folder. I painted it silver, just looks like that. Added some EVA foam everywhere, and that's what you got. Mini Buster Sword for my niece. See that? So I was able to paint all the dark spots on the blade, just acrylic black, just so that it turns out pretty well, and this is how it looks like. What's up guys, we're done with the final build and this is how it looks like. Starting down here from the handle, definitely just attach the cloth with some dangling effects. Okay, that is your brown handlebar. Notice I painted the second layer over here, the foam with black coat, acrylic. This is your carbon fiber sticker print. Yeah. Notice the details of the etching. Of course, painted the blade itself a new silver, and it goes all the way down to the blade. This is my Buster Sword X DragonSlayer combination, aka the DragonBuster. This is the entire size of the sword. It's more or less almost my height, actually. Actually, it is my height. Yeah, it's just a little taller. So this is about 5 feet 8 inches. Really light since it's thin wood. That's how it looks like. Fits really nicely on the shoulder, just like that. It's not that heavy. So yeah, that's basically how it looks like. That's it for today's build, the DragonBuster. Don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, and comment below if you guys want to see me build something else or have someone build it or react, review, unbox, talk about whatever y'all want me to talk about. That's gonna be fun. Stay safe, stay fresh. Peace. DragonBuster on me slash.